Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to your English language class. Today we are going to finish the chapter tenses. Previous day we have learnt about it. So at first let me start again with the explanation of what present and past tense is. So the verb that is happening now or that is in present, the actions that is being performed in present is the present tense, and the ones that has been performed before is the past tense. So I hope you all have learned the chapter. This is a very easy chapter, just you will have to make your conceptions clear regarding what has happened before and what is happening now. So today change the verbs from present to past. One is done for you. This exercise we will be solving. Number 1, teach. T-E-A-C-H, teach. It's not teached. The past tense. In the past tense, you will have to change the spelling of it. Teach will be taught. T-A-U-G-H-T. Taught. In the past tense, it will be taught. Write. W-R-I-T-E. Write. Wrote. W-R-O-T-E. Wrote. See. Write. Wrote. See. S-E-E-C. Saw. S-A-W. Saw. Actually the thing is that children, you will have to remember the words. There is no such exact rule from which I can say that yes, change it according to this rule. You will have to remember it. Okay. Eat. E-A-T. Eat. Ate. A-T-E. Ate. Stand. S-T-A-N-D. Stand. Stood. S-T-O-O-D. Stood. Run. R-U-N. Run. Past tense will be ran. R-A-N. Ran. Sleep. S-L-E-E-P. Sleep. Slept. S-L-E-P-T. Slept. So in this way actually we are going. There is no other option, children. I am repeatedly telling you. You will have to remember it. You will have to learn it by heart in order to remember how to change. Say. S-A-Y. Say. I guess you all can answer this. Say will be said. S-A-I-D. Sit. Sat. S-A-T. Give. G-I-V-E. Give. Gave. G-A-V-E. Gave. Play. P-L-A-Y. Play. Now don't say it will be played. It will be played. P-L-A-Y-E-D. Here what we are doing, we are not changing the words. Instead we are adding ed to it. You'll have to identify where you'll have to change the spelling and where you can only add d or ed to make it in the past tense. Okay. Walk. You all tell me. Walk. W-A-L-K. Walk. Walked. W-A-L-K-E-D. Number 13. Sing. Again here it won't be singed. It will be sang. S-A-N-G. Sang. So here the spelling is changing. Go. G-O. Go. It will be went. W-E-N-T. Went. Go. Went. Jump. J-U-M-P. Jump. J-U-M-P. Jump. Jumped. J-U-M-P-E-D. Jumped. Drink. D-R-I-N-K. Drink. D-R-I-N-K. Drink. It will be, you tell me, I am giving you options. It will be drinked. It will be drank. It will be dranked. What it will be? It will be drank. D-R-A-N-K. D-R-I-N-K. Drink will be drank. D-R-A-N-K. Pray. P-R-A-Y. Pray. What will it be? Prayed. P-R-A-Y-E-D. Prayed. Hop. H-O-P. Hop. It will be hopped. H-O-P-P-E-D. hopped. H-O-P-P-E-D. The spelling ed is adding to it, but double p is also adding to it. I mean, one more p is also adding to make it in the past tense. Hop will be hopped. H-O-P-P-E-D. Dance. D-A-N-C-E. It will be danced. D-A-N-C-E-D. D-A-N-C-E-D. The last one is swim. S-W-I-M. Swim. Previous day in this chart you had it. Swim will be what? Let me see. Without seeing the book, just tell me. Swim. Swam. Right. So yes, tenses chapter is finished. Next day again we will move on to one more chapter, and yes, you will get your essays. Obviously, maybe coming week I will be giving you one essay. I haven't decided yet, so I'll decide and I'll let you know regarding it. So go through this chapter well. You need to have a clear conception in order to know which one is in present and which one is in past, and accordingly you will have to change the spellings, or you will have to add ed or d to it. For that you need to learn this chapter very well, because otherwise you will forget how to do it. Because if I give you eat, you can make it eated if you don't have a clear conceptions regarding the spellings. So I'm repeatedly telling you, please go through the spellings every day of this. Now we have only started the class, so there is no burden on you. You're only having this chapter and you're getting time Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. 4 days. After 4 days you are having your class. So for these 4 days, I'm not asking you to learn during Diwali. Yes, you can skip that day. So at least 2 days you will get, Friday and Monday. So for both the days, I want you all to learn, and to learn by heart the spellings of this chapter. Okay, so that's all for today, children. Stay home, stay safe, learn the spellings, try to understand the chapter. If you don't understand, play the video once again, the previous video also, so that you can be clear about the conception. See you in the next class. Till then, bye bye. Take good care of yourself and the members of your family.